Hello friends, welcome back. This is the Boss Repairs, and I have an interesting tip for you who maybe want to get into cell phone repairing, who maybe want to repair the cell phone alone, or maybe just someone who is curious to learn something new. I think this tip will really help you if you are ever around a cell phone and you have to open it and go around, maybe change the battery. So I was fixing actually this P40 light just now, and then it just got to me when I had to take out this battery before installing the new LCD. To say, if you have any Huawei device, I think any device that has something like a sticker coming with the device, like this one, it's pretty written here, but you can't see it because it's in Chinese. You can't maybe understand it. I'm not saying everybody can understand, but I'm saying most of the people don't understand what is written here. So that's one thing that we face difficulties as repairers when it comes to Huawei or Chinese devices, because inside the device is mostly the instructions are in Chinese, and you really need to understand that before you can go around taking off this battery. So for a beginner who doesn't even know anything about battery, won't even check about to see what is written here or something, because you see that's Chinese, we just maybe take a pry tool or a blade or anything and try going around the battery, which it's time consuming. It's almost a 98% chance you're gonna break the battery. But this battery, what is actually written here, it shows you must peel off 1 and 2 before you take off 3 to lift up the battery, which I'm gonna show in this video. So I will just zoom in here on the battery section, and then I will show you what I mean. So what I always do is I just take out the first one, I put my hand on the third one, I do it that way. It's not that perfect. Even if it breaks off, it's not a problem. Then number 2, I will show you why I say it's not a problem. Peel it off, make it loose. Then I take out the third one. After the third one, then you can lift up the battery easily. So this 2 was connected to the glue which holds the battery, and the third one is connected to the battery. So if you want to make the battery loose without hurting the battery, especially Huawei devices, this is a Nova Y70, especially Huawei devices, you're gonna have to do it that way. So I hope this video helped you. If you find it useful, you can always leave a like and a comment. Happy New Year, and I hope your Christmas was just as good. So thank you so much. I just felt like sharing this video with someone to help someone who is new to repairing cell phones, or who is new to disassembling cell phones. That is the easiest way you would do with the Huawei battery. The plastics don't actually affect the battery. The battery is still solid and good, but it's the easier way you can take out the battery, so when you go around disassembling the phone or maybe trying to repair the LCD of a phone. So I hope this helped you. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day, and can't wait to go into the new year with you guys. Bye bye.